Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing Mini Countryman R60 diesel injector. First step is to remove the feeder pipe using 19mm or 3/4 spanner. Fuel may spill. This is completely normal as there are fuel in the line. If you wish to prevent this, you can use a towel or cloth. Once the pipe is loosened, you can remove them by hand. I've decided to remove cylinder number 1's injector. However, if you want to remove different injector, the procedure is the same. The next step is to remove injector's connector pipe. Next is to remove the injector return leak-off pipe clip using flathead. Now remove the injector return leak-off connector using a flathead. Next is to remove the injector holder using E10. Whilst I remove the injector holder, I will be telling you the symptoms of a bad injector. This include rough idling, poor fuel economy, excessive black smoke, engine misfires, or difficulty starting, often indicating clogged or failing injectors. Rough idling. A diesel engine that idles roughly, shakes, or vibrates more than usual can be a sign of injector issues, as the engine isn't receiving the correct amount of fuel. Poor fuel economy. If your diesel engine is struggling to achieve good fuel mileage, it could be due to faulty injectors that aren't delivering fuel efficiently. Now all you need to do is to remove the injector holder's bolt and the injector holder will come together with the injector. You have successfully removed your injector. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.